I decided to replace my IKEA DIRIGERA and I got the most shocking experience. Here are the 8 major lessons I learned and the features and tricks that turn this budget hub into a powerful, flexible smart home brain. Number 8. Pairing with non-IKEA devices. You probably bought the IKEA DIRIGERA hub thinking it was the cheapest, simplest hub on the shelf, and for many it works fine, until you realize you are barely scratching the surface of what it can actually do. Most people don't know that your DIRIGERA hub can actually interact with certain non-IKEA Zigbee devices. Officially, IKEA doesn't guarantee compatibility outside its ecosystem, and support can be hit or miss depending on firmware versions. However, experimenting is possible. During device pairing in the IKEA HomeSmart app, some users have successfully added non-IKEA devices. But the real magic is Matter support, which is IKEA's official method for mixing brands. With Matter, you can integrate devices from multiple manufacturers without complicated workarounds, and your DIRIGERA hub can act as the center of a multi-brand smart home. But that's not all. I tested pairing a few third-party smart plugs and sensors that were Matter certified but not IKEA branded. But to my surprise, most paired seamlessly and automations worked perfectly. What this really shows is that the hardware in DIRIGERA was not designed to limit you. It was designed for flexibility. You just need to know how to enable it. And if you're serious about multi-brand setups, this one hub can replace multiple competing hubs, saving both space and money. But once you realize the hardware itself is not the limitation, you start looking deeper into the system. And that's when you discover IKEA has been hiding more than just device compatibility. Number 7. The hidden workshop. Under your nose, IKEA has hidden a workshop inside the HomeSmart app that most users never see. You'll find it in your profile settings. This is where IKEA tests experimental features before they go public. Inside the workshop, you can access adaptive lighting controls that change color temperature throughout the day, advanced Matter control functions, and even upcoming device support. The Matter Bridge beta rolled out here months before it became available to the public. What I found incredible was that the workshop also lets you adjust parameters like motion sensitivity, trigger thresholds, and even advanced schedules that are not visible in the normal app interface. It's like discovering a developer console hidden inside your smart home hub. I experimented with creating automations that dynamically change light behavior based on occupancy, time of day, and even temperature readings. Features that normally cost hundreds in other ecosystems were suddenly available in my budget IKEA hub. These are beta features, so expect occasional bugs, but if you enjoy testing, this is your chance to explore the future of IKEA's smart home ecosystem before anyone else. But what looks like a testing space is actually a preview of where DIRIGERA is going. Number 6. Full Matter Controller. In July 2025, IKEA released firmware version 2.805.6, transforming DIRIGERA from a simple Matter bridge into a full Matter controller. A Matter bridge exposes your IKEA devices to other platforms like HomeKit or Google Home. A Matter controller, however, lets you add any Matter certified devices directly into the IKEA HomeSmart app. Suddenly, you can integrate smart plugs, sensors, and other products from Eve, Aqara, and more. Everything managed from a single unified interface. After activating the Matter controller, I added a mix of non-IKEA devices, motion sensors, smart plugs, even a temperature and humidity monitor, and everything showed up in the IKEA app instantly. I could create automations that combined IKEA sensors with third-party devices, something that was previously impossible without multiple bridges. The hub essentially became a universal controller, capable of running complex scenarios that would normally require professional-grade hubs like Hubitat or SmartThings. With this, your cheap hub suddenly acts like a professional-grade smart home controller, something that would normally cost hundreds or more. Once DIRIGERA becomes a universal controller, it stops being just a hub, and that's when reliability starts to matter more than features. Number 5. Works offline. Unlike most cloud-dependent hubs, DIRIGERA works perfectly without an internet connection. Even if your Wi-Fi has no internet, you can still control all devices through the app and physical remotes. This means faster response times, commands processed locally, and zero data sent to external servers. Local control is not just a luxury. It's security and reliability built into a $40 hub. I noticed during testing that the internet connection was disconnected for several hours while Wi-Fi remained active. All automations continued running flawlessly. Lights turned on when motion was detected, doors locked when leaving the house, and energy monitoring updates still appeared in the app. The DIRIGERA Hub proved that even without cloud dependency, it can run a full-featured smart home reliably. For anyone concerned about privacy or downtime, this is a true game changer. But so is stability and reliability. Number 4. Thread border router capabilities. Inside your DIRIGERA Hub is a hidden thread radio activated with firmware 2.805.6. This lets the hub act as a thread border router using OpenThread 1.4, creating a low-power mesh network for your devices. Thread networks self-heal, extend range, and can now merge with existing thread networks from HomePods, Echo devices, or Nest Hubs. Before, each router created isolated networks. Now, DIRIGERA unifies everything, making your network more stable and reliable without interference. This was tested by pairing multiple IKEA and non-IKEA thread devices across 3 rooms. However, I experienced drop connections and delay triggers with a single hub setup. After enabling the DIRIGERA thread functionality, every device joined the same mesh seamlessly. Lights, sensors, and smart plugs responded instantly. The hub intelligently handles routing, making network management completely invisible yet reliable. Let's also talk about the presets. Number 3. Motion Sensor Light Presets. The Workshop Beta also includes a light preset schedule for motion sensors. It adjusts brightness and color temperature automatically throughout the day, and it changes seasonally. As sunrise and sunset times shift, your schedule adapts on its own. This is advanced circadian lighting that expensive systems like Philips Hue charge premium prices for. But here, it's hidden inside your budget-friendly DIRIGERA Hub. They set up the hallway lights to mimic natural daylight, gradually increasing brightness in the morning and warming tones in the evening. The sensors adapt automatically throughout the year, so no manual adjustments are needed. Even guests have commented on how natural the lighting felt, completely unaware it was controlled by a $10 sensor and an IKEA hub. This level of circadian lighting usually costs hundreds in other ecosystems. This is where automation starts to feel natural instead of programmed. But there's still one layer deeper where devices stop needing the hub at all. Number 2. Direct device bindings. Instead of routing every signal through the hub, DIRIGERA lets sensors talk directly to lights. This means faster response times, reduced network traffic, and continued operation even if the hub goes offline. Direct bindings are technically advanced, usually reserved for expensive Zigbee coordinators, but IKEA hides it in a simple $40 hub. Direct links were created between motion sensors and lights in the bedroom and kitchen. The response was instantaneous, with no hub delay at all. Even during firmware updates, the critical automations continued running without interruption. For anyone building a reliable smart home that can function offline, this feature alone is worth exploring. At this point, DIRIGERA is not acting like a cheap hub anymore. It's acting like an infrastructure system. Number 1. Matter 1.3 Energy Data Access. In October 2025, firmware 2.86.866.3 brought Matter 1.3 support. This unlocked real-time energy monitoring for smart plugs and compatible devices. Now, you can access voltage, current, watts, and total energy consumption on platforms like Home Assistant, SmartThings, and Homey, and also get notifications when appliances finish running, track energy vampires, or even automate routines based on usage. This turns your DIRIGERA Hub into a fully fledged energy monitoring platform, something most users would never expect from a cheap IKEA hub. Also, notification can be set up for the washing machine so that once power consumption dropped below 10 watts, an instant alert signaled the end of the cycle. The coffee maker, fridge, and space heater were also monitored the same way. This level of visibility from a budget hub is remarkable. It effectively transforms DIRIGERA into a full home energy dashboard without the need for expensive meters or additional smart plugs. What IKEA is quietly building here is huge. With Matter support, thread integration, local control, and cross-brand compatibility, DIRIGERA is becoming the hubs smart homes were always supposed to be.